Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to do a warm smoky eye look. So let's get started. With a buffing brush, I'm applying Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Concealer No. 1 as a base, and this time I won't be setting it because I want my eyeshadow as vibrant as possible. With Morphe Shadow Brush, I'm packing Brow from Certifeye the Destiny palette. This palette is another beginner-friendly palette because it has the most pigmented and blendable matte shades ever I've used. So I think you should give a try. For crease, I'm picking Alchemy and applying with MSQ flat brush. And as transition color, I'm gonna apply Hex with Anastasia Beverly Hills brush A15. In this step, I'm gonna blend my transition color with my crease color with MSQ small blending brush. I like ombre look more than applying colorful eyeshadow right under the brow bone. Therefore, I like to apply translucent powder right under my brow bone because it helps me to create more blended ombre look. This time I'm picking blending brush from MSQ brush set and applying Brow one more time. Now it's time for eyeliner, and I'm using Wet n Wild Megaliner. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm gonna do my eyeliner as thin as possible. By the way, if you're having struggle with eyeliner, you can use washi tape. Let's remove the washi tape now. Have to fix the small details. With LaPage Trend Winged Liner, I'm gonna apply Brow right under my lash line. For my under eye, I'm gonna apply Alchemy with MSQ flat brush. When it comes to waterline, I'm applying Motifs Cosmetics Black Gel Eyeliner with Artnet Liner brush. To blend with the eyeliner and to create more smoky effect, I'm applying Potion right under my lash line. To create nice transition, I'm blending Brow and Potion together with LaPage Trend Winged Liner brush. And as final step of blending, I'm picking my MSQ small blending brush, and without eyeshadow, I'm just blending them together. As highlighter, I'm going to use tonic for my inner corner and just a tiny bit on my brow bone. To blend my lashes with the falsies, I'm using Motifs Cosmetics mascara. This is the final look, and if you liked it, please put thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye!